special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby.
Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I got a little Sephora haul for you. So I did a VIB spring sales recommendation. So now I just want to share with you really quickly a couple of things that I got. Ignore this over here, okay? I thought I gotta put my little drawer case together. Real talk, I ain't feel like moving it. It is what it is. Okay, so I got majority skincare things because that's honestly what I truly needed. I was trying to really focus on making sure that I'm either one, buying things that I've really had my eye on for a long time, or just simply repurchasing or strictly buying what I need. Y'all know I talk all the time, sis. Be mindful with your makeup purchases. Don't go buying the same tones and same things over and over, because at the end of the day, we have a lot of products and it's not possible to use every single thing, okay? So let's start off with skincare first. I've really been into Glow Recipe. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toners. My pores are larger than life. I had a sample size of this sent to me by D. D, if you're watching this, mwah, love you, sis. You are the bomb. I appreciate you so much. And so I went and got the bigger one just simply because I like how this made my skin feel. Y'all, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm aging before my eyes, but I have just noticed some shift in things with my skin. Trust me, I'm still oily. Still acne prone skin, but what I'm realizing is a lot of my salicylic acid products are just really leaving me feeling a little tight. So that's why I went to this one, because I used it. It made my skin feel nice, but it didn't suck me dry. So this is an excellent toner. Still love the Ole Henriksen. I just haven't been using it because y'all, I'm good on dark spots. That's not the issue that I have right now. So it served its purpose. I will forever recommend that toner because it's bomb. Next up, another product from Glow Recipe. I've already been using this. This is their Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. I was just curious about it. So it's a makeup erasing deep cleansing cleanser. And it says, hold on, let me pull it up on Sephora real quick, because how it's marketed, this is why I got confused. The reason why I purchased it is because it says that it's a gentle cleanser. Like I just stated, a lot of my products have salicylic acid in it, and it's just been a little too much. So I wanted something that was just a little bit more laid back for my skin. And so it says skincare concerns, pores, oiliness, and acne blemishes. But it's almost marketed as like a makeup cleanser. I don't know. I'm still kind of in on this, but I've been using it and it doesn't smell like blueberries either. That caught me off guard. I was really expecting for it to smell like blueberries and it doesn't. So it doesn't smell bad. It just doesn't smell like blueberries. Next up here, this is a repurchase. I've used this. This might be my fourth bottle, but this is the Ole Henriksen Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. So this is my night cream, if you will. And this is for dark spots, dullness, uneven skin texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. Absolutely love it, especially if you are an oily skin girl like myself. I don't mind more hydrating things on my skin at night. I do put on serums and whatnot. However, I have used some things at nighttime and I'm like, whoa, that's a bit much. All right, next up, I have an eye cream. So this eye cream, I had a sample size of it and I was using it, and y'all, when I tell you my under eyes were, I didn't realize how not hydrated my under eyes were. Probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I noticed just things weren't sitting right up under my eyes. And I had to really think back, like, okay, what's different? Like, I'm getting my water in still. I'm not smashing a gallon every day like I typically am, making sure I'm getting back to that. But I was like, no, something's off. And I thought about it. I haven't been using this eye cream because I ran out of it. So this is the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. You guys, okay, it's pricey. It's $48, but when it comes to skincare though, especially up under my eyes, this stuff, I didn't realize how much of a difference this stuff was making until I stopped using it. Every single morning, every single night, under eyes are nice and hydrated. This is the new plug for the under eye area. And then next up, so I'll admit it, and I hate that I'm this way, but we ain't perfect, right? I'm horrible when it comes to SPF with my skin. Hear me out really, really quick, okay? I have really oily skin, and most SPFs are heavy, they're greasy, you end up looking like the purple people eater. It's just not cute, right? So Dee sent me a little sample of the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop, and my girl, Lady T, she told me about it as well. Y'all, this goes on clear, like clear, and it almost has a little bit of that primer feel to it. I don't care about that. It just makes me feel good knowing that SPF 40 is on my face. I'm not out here naked in these UV streets just living my best life. This is the first time I have truly ever used a sunscreen, a SPF that was actually clear and it didn't make me greasy. Praise be, hallelujah. I am telling everybody to get this. You need it. It is bomb.com. Next up, this was something that was not on my radar, okay? This is by Voluspa. It's the Tahitian Coconut Vanilla Candle. First of all, I love candles. Secondly, what is Rocket doing? Secondly, anything that's got that tropical smell, coconut. Fun fact, I don't like the taste of coconut, but I love the scent. Woo. I cannot wait to burn this. It smells divine. And look at this. This is, I mean, first of all, aesthetic. Hello, beautiful. And you get a lot of candle in here. This is 18 ounces of candle. So this is gonna go in the beauty room. So I'm in the process of redoing some things in my beauty room. I know I never did a beauty room tour, you guys, but that's just simply because other things in the house had to come first. So now I'm finally in a place where I'm like, okay, let me go through and really, really get this looking the way that I want. Hence to why that drawer is down there on the ground. But I'm going to be doing a organization, deep clutter. I'll film it. I'll show you guys that, and an official beauty room tour very, very soon. And then the last couple of things that I have here are makeup. I had to re-up on my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I am in the shade 5. Absolute favorite brow pencil. Natasha Denona, Circo Loco. This has been out for a minute. Do you guys even care about it anymore? Because you know, in the makeup world, and I hate this in the makeup world, it's like, oh my gosh, you feel such an urgency. Get it while it's hot. Get it while it's hot. Especially if you're a beauty YouTuber. It's kind of like, it's unfortunate, but that's how you keep your YouTube channel alive when you are a smaller influencer. It's almost like this pressure and sense of urgency to keep buying and keep purchasing, so that way you can keep, you know, that promotes your channel and pushes it up there, because when you buy new things and you review them, you're going to pop up because people are looking for it because it's new. I am way past that. I don't care anymore. Listen, I'll get it when I get it, and I'm also to a point where I don't need no more stuff. However, I'm a Natasha Denona collector. Anything that she drops, I will purchase. However, I wasn't going to blow a whole $129 on it when I knew the sale was coming. So Circo Loco is in my possession. If you want me to do a look with it, I most certainly can. Who am I kidding? Y'all know I'm going to do a look on it. Hopefully you don't mind watching it. It'll be a keep it simple, bold, colorful look. Yeah, that's what we'll do. And then next up, I got foundations, and I think these are these are going to be the last foundations for a good bit. So the first one, this is the one that I was most excited about. This is by the brand called Merit, and I just love this brand's aesthetic. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or if you've caught on to my vibe. First of all, keep it simple, hello, but I'm a very simple, clean. I wouldn't go as far and say that I am a minimalist. However, I like for things to just be clutter free. I don't like a lot going on, like for instance, like how I dress. So I let my makeup be the statement pieces. So I'll just have very basics on, but then I'll have like a pop of flip color, or I'll wear, you know, basic outfits, solid colors, and a popping shoe. Like, that's my gist. So just this whole brand vibe, it just really, really spoke to me. And this is their minimalistic foundation. What is the actual name of this? Perfecting Cream Stick. So you can use this as a concealer or a foundation. I am in the shade Amber, how fitting. And this is actually what I have on right now because, y'all, again, I think it's just a matter of growing up, because I've had my YouTube channel for 6 years, and a lot of you probably don't know this, but before this channel, I had another beauty channel when I was in beauty school. So technically, I've been doing the YouTube thing for 8 years, but that channel was so cringy and I was so embarrassed. I just completely did away with it, which I wish I didn't do so that way y'all could see like the legit start of it. However, basically, my makeup style from when I was in beauty school, 8 years ago versus now, is very, very different. And I have matured, I'm growing up, and I'm just really, really liking the whole minimalistic makeup, no makeup look. That's where I'm at in life right now. I don't know if this whole pandemic and mask wearing situation has made me like this, but this is where I'm at. I hope y'all don't mind. I feel like it goes well with my keep it simple motto, but this really spoke to me. I have this on right now. I've been wearing it all day. We'll do a little wear test tutorial and I'll give you further thoughts on it. And then last but not least, I got the LYS Beauty Foundation. I got the shade DG6. I wasn't sure if I needed this one or the one a step darker. However, I'm going to do a full review with this, but I'm just waiting for the other products for this brand to come out, to come back in stock, because I want to do a whole video dedicated to the brand. So apparently this is the first Black-owned beauty brand in Sephora. Correction, the first Black-owned clean beauty brand. Clean. Which is freaking epic. Like, come on, somebody. And it's a clean brand. It's just good stuff. So I'll give y'all a little. Ooh, I got too much. I didn't mean to get that much. Oh, I'm so mad at myself right now. Is this my color? This is one of those things I literally won't know until I blend it out. Let's play. Let's see. On my jaw real quick and we'll see. Uh-oh. Is this too light? I don't know. And this is fascinating because I was expecting this to be dewy for some reason. And it's not. It dries really, whoa. Okay, so that dries really freaking fast. Was not expecting that. All right, well, now that I have foundation on the lower bottom half of my face. Anywho, I got distracted. I'm just waiting for the rest of the products to come back in stock at Sephora, and then I'll purchase those and we can do a full LYS Beauty wear test. All right, y'all, so that is going to wrap up all the products I got. Down below, are you on a break from buying stuff? If you are, I totally understand and respect that. If you picked up a couple of things, let me know. And let me know if you were excited to see the LYS and the Merit Foundation product reviews, because those are probably the two things I was the most pumped about out of my haul. So that's going to wrap up today's video. Y'all, I love you so much. You know the deal. Keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.